Welcome to our tutorial on randomizing rotator links for dynamic link distribution. Are you ready to introduce variability into your link rotation strategy? In this video, we'll show you how to randomize rotator links, allowing you to optimize the distribution of clicks across your links. To begin, click on Add New Rotator or edit an existing one. Scroll down to Randomize and select this option. Here, you have the flexibility to choose between entering a time interval for automatic randomization or selecting real-time randomization. Additionally, you can choose to ignore the first or last link on randomization if needed, ensuring that those links always remain in their original position within the rotator. Unlock the power of randomized rotator links and enhance the effectiveness of your link distribution strategy. Let's dive in and optimize your link management with dynamic randomization.